Good morning from Grand Plumbing Farm. It's October 28th, 2025. It's about 9:20 in the morning. Get all the animals fed. It's cold out here. I'm still got water. That's what I'm doing right now. I had to turn the water on. It's 39 degrees. And it says a chance of rain coming in another 30 minutes or so. We'll see. Hope not. Hoping for sunshine, so I'm going to dry the hay out and not get it wetter. I think Doc and Charlie's going to use my car trailer, so I have to take these bells off and stack them up. Hopefully they're dry enough. Bella's feeling better. I put her with the herd this morning. She don't like being in the barn alone, so she's down there eating. I have the tarps spread out. There was still some water in them. Hopefully they dry out and it doesn't rain. Still gotta move that hay off that trailer back there and then re-tarp. It is awful cold out here. I'll go back to the house. Coffee and warm up. Now my golf cart's making weird noises. That's weird. Yeah, that all sound good. Great. Now another thing to fix. Well, I better park it and see what's wrong. I don't know, the brakes are dragging. Well, catch you later. Found the problem. There's a stick dragging on the wheel. That's good. That's a minor fix.